Jeremy of the Ready to Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. It's obvious that you had a lot of fun with this, Jeremy. I love these builds, and I love how they come together. And just the creativity on that. I love the one with the arm on the top. Yeah, this one. With the rockets up on the top of the arm and the gun up there too. But that's just, it's really creative. And I love the coloring. I love that you left colors, that there's multiple colors on here. That it's not just weathered, but there's more to it. And we'll get to my favorite build here in a minute. But I like this one. I like the look of it. And there's something about that front, the ramming part, whatever you want to call it on the front, that's a 3D printed part. But I like the angle on it and just the look of it. I just really like the look of it. But the thing is, when all is said and done, I know what my favorite build out of these is. And that one's this. Now, you have to look, but there's 5 different castings in here. And Jeremy mentioned that to me. And I had to look to spot the 5 different castings, to figure out kind of where they were. I love this build. I love 6 wheels, you know? But this is so cool. So everyone, check out Jeremy's YouTube and Instagram pages. Links are in the description for the video. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. Jeremy, thanks for taking the challenge. Everyone stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.